Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Maneater game crashing or not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen error on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on the PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now once your PS5 restarts, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button. To enter safe mode, here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, choose console storage and tap on delete option. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, then check and launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help you to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here you click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings and tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. And finally, select update using internet option. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Maneater game and click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Maneater game. If you are using PS Plus Cloud, then select download or delete from console cloud storage and then select Maneater. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Maneater game. So for that, highlight Maneater game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Maneater game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.